At PJ Mac Air Duct Cleaning, we provide professional heating system installation services for residential and commercial properties throughout Philadelphia County, PA. Every installation is completed according to industry standards, ensuring optimal performance, safety, and long-term reliability. Call our heating system installation team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a heating system installation near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac Air Duct Cleaning. How do I know if I need a new heating system? Signs that you may need a new heating system include frequent repairs, uneven heating, rising energy bills, unusual noises, poor performance, and a system that is more than 15 to 20 years old. What types of heating systems can be installed? We install a variety of heating systems, including furnaces, heat pumps, and other modern heating solutions. Our team helps customers choose the system that best fits their property's heating needs and budget. What is your service area for Philadelphia, Pennsylvania? Our heating system installation has helped clients in Philadelphia, Carroll Park, Haverford North, Spruce Hill, Mantua, West Passyunk, Point Breeze, Newbold, Dickinson Narrows, Hawthorne, Queen Village, Yorktown, East Kensington, West Kensington, Fair Hill, Port Richmond, Powelton Village, Brewery Town, Kensington, Nicetown, Tioga, Pennsylvania. Where are your heating system installation in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 7708 City Avenue number 206, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19151. Our phone number is 610-424-6277. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Philadelphia-County.